Vending family, back again with another video, collection video for y'all to be exact. My name is Wayne, if you don't already know, and as y'all can see, I'm leaving Sam's Club, man. And I thought I'd drop some inspiration, some motivation for my peoples. Let me show y'all what I'm working with right here. Spent about a cool $280, and we're gonna go ahead and knock out a couple locations if they open. There we go. On the count of three, let's get it, y'all. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Oh yeah. Look who decided to come with me. Little sis. Little sis decided to come with me. First time rocking with me. Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them your name.
Toya.
We pulling up. First location. Alright, got me, sis. Change. A lot of 10 cents. That is so funny. Alright, now we're gonna go get the drinks.
Perfect.
Check this out. Check this out, I got it. So it's not accepting coins because somebody decided to put pennies in the vending machine. Check this out, y'all. So make sure you always put coins in and check to see what's going on. Check to make sure your bill acceptor is working, that it's not flashing in solid, and make sure your coins are going through. So always test your machines because it is right here. Do this, put the pins. Let's get the change. got anything. Angelica says that it ate her dollar, so we're gonna go ahead and get that back to her. Shoot, if that's only one person that lost money, that's good. You guys, right here I got my man Romero.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, this man right here gave me an opportunity to place my vending machines in the facility. The question I have for you, Romero, is what made you give me an opportunity? Because there's people out there that are looking to place vending machines in their location. So, like, what stuck out to you the most, and what made you give me an opportunity for the most part?
Yeah. So first, you did come highly recommended from our neighbors right across the way, which you had a vending machine over there. But what really stuck out to me in speaking with you is being able to see like the passion, and not only did I see an opportunity to give back to the community with part of the proceeds going back to with kids with cancer. That's something that really stuck out to me. Another thing that stuck out to me is I myself as a minority know that we're very limited in owning our own businesses. I myself had my own business, and starting up by myself, it was extremely hard. I didn't know anything. I didn't have any resources, and everything was learning my own. And I could tell that you were in that same boat as well. And then meeting your daughter was definitely a selling point as well. The most adorable little thing I've ever seen. She's
I did bring her in, huh?
Yeah, you did bring her in. She was very adorable. She was a salesman too. She was ready to work too. If I remember correctly, she said, "We go work right now."
Exactly.
So
she was trying to get a tour.
She's definitely out there. So and I could tell that you were a go-getter, and that you're on top of it. Every question that I had for you, you already had it answered. You had everything as planned is going in. For me, I just felt extremely comfortable for it. It was a no-brainer.
Appreciate you. One last question. What's one thing that you would say I need to work on, and what is one thing that you like most about my services? Okay. So just be honest. Just let them know what I need to work on. Let's start with the bad first.
All right, let's start with the bad first. Making sure the pricing is correct at all times on there. Like, it does have a sign on there that says, please press the selection to see the actual price. But as we all know, not everyone reads everything. So some of the feedback that I even got from my employees is that the prices that are wrong on there. So that's an area of opportunity. As far as what you do really well, you come every week, you check in, you're always trying to find out what's doing best. I see that you actually change up the products as well that's in there. I'm just going off of my assumption, but based on what I see, like you put high sellers back within the vending machines, and then things that are maybe not selling as well, you try to put something else different to see if you could get better results. So I think that's great in owning your business with it, because all it's about is understanding your supply and demand.
All right. I appreciate you, Romero.
I appreciate you.
It's for the people to motivate you guys, man. Y'all can do it. Let's do it. All right. Right there, y'all. It's my peoples. What's going on? Oh, you gonna figure it out. You gonna go through every single key until you unlock that lock. There you go. All right. Now, pull up on the whole thing. There you go. Now you open it, push that forward, and then pinch the two sides right here. Yeah, there you go. Just pull it down, push that up, and then just get in there and pull it out. Right. Go ahead. All right, grab the change, which is down there below. Let me see it. Man. All right, you already know in the Hunter family, man. You know we a little bit different, man. Go ahead, bust that move on him, sus. Oh yeah, that's how we do. Be nice and full. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it down real quick. Wipe me down. All right, y'all say bye-bye to Nene. Bye. All right, we knocked it out. We looking fresh, we looking clean. Sis over there working that little, you already know we to the crib and we about to count it up, y'all. Let's get it. Step into my office, man. Your boy finally got a change counter. Got it for $40 off of Facebook Marketplace. You know I'm all about the deals, man. The next move is the cash counter. One step at a time. Don't rush it. One step at a time, man. All right, let's get the total for all 3 locations. Run it up. Let's go. All right, the total for the coins is $72.13. Let's get to the cash, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That steak right there is 100. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. It's another 100 right there. That is $290 in cash. $290 in cash. I appreciate y'all tuning in to the video. Y'all got the totals right there. Check me out. All right, that's 1 week collections. Hey, y'all turn on that notification bell, subscribe, comment down below. Hey, say bye.
Bye.
You guys have a blessed day, blessed night, blessed morning, whatever that is, man. And we out.